You are not success. Have you ever seen wondered why? Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I'm also great. Welcome to our channel again. कौन बनेगा इंग्लिश का सिकंदर? So guys, I want to give some suggestion. I want to give some advice for you if you are not success. If you watch my video until the end, you can learn speak English. After learn speak English, you can get lot of opportunity. So guys, I want to say you, uh, if you are jobless, if you haven't any knowledge, if you haven't any work, so you should learn speak English. After learn speak English, you can get lot of opportunity. So I want to give you some advice special for you. If you are jobless, you should think something about yourself. Yes, you should think about yourself. Okay, because life is a big. Life is not only for 1 year, 2 years. So you are not success. You should learn speak English. You are jobless. You should search job because I want to give one suggestion, sir. If you are free, you can learn speak English with me. Suppose that I want to say you are right now bank worker. If you learn speak English, after learn speak English, you can become bank manager. So guys, I want to say you, I want to explain you, English can change your life. English can change your destiny. English is big important nowadays. Suppose that you are teacher, but if you learn speak English, after learn speak English, you can become principal. Yes, guys. Suppose that you are businessman like me. After learn speak English, if you learn speak English, so guys, I want to explain you. After learn speak English, you can become a big businessman. You can sell abroad. English provide a lot of opportunity. So guys, that's why I want to explain you. You should not waste time. You should learn speak English if you have time. So guys, suppose that you are getting salary 20,000. After learn speak English, you can take 40,000, 100%. That's why I want to tell you, I want to explain you. Nowadays, English is much important. So guys, if you want to learn speak English, you must watch my video because I upload every day new video. So guys, uh, if you want to be success, if you want to learn speak English carefully, if you are eager to learn speak English, so you must watch my video until the end. Okay. So guys, everything is important nowadays. As you know, suppose that you are jobless. If you learn speak English, you can get opportunity to abroad. You can go abroad. If you know English, You can go easily. You, you don't know English, you have to face problem. Suppose that you went abroad, you don't know English. You have to work labor work. You have to do labor work. But if you know English, you can do a smart work. That's why I want to explain you English is most important everywhere. If you go inside clinic, doctor, medical, everywhere you will meet in English language. So guys, if you are if I talk about personal life, native language is good. But if I talk about professional life, English is much important. I would say that for professional life. Everywhere, if you want to become a bank manager, without English, you can't become bank manager. If you want to become a principal, without English, you can't become principal. If you are policeman, if you want to become promotion as an inspector, you can't become without English. You can't become inspector. So everywhere, English is much important. So guys, if you want to learn speak English, you should watch every day my video. So guys, I hope you believe me and you watch my video. I haven't time, sir. My schedule is quite busy. That's why today I am very, very busy. So guys, I want to go. So please don't forget to subscribe and follow and share my video. Thank you so much.